one linear, one quadratic. Let's take a few more examples. From the questions here, we didn't do number 2 the other time, so let's start with number 2. It says, the first question says x squared plus y squared is equal to 29. The next one says x plus y is 7. We also didn't do number 3, so we'll do number 3 now too in this video. Number 3, first equation is x plus y is equal to 5, and the second one is x squared minus 2y squared is equal to 1. What we will do here is very simple. I'll go ahead now and close this so I can have enough space for my solutions. So let's take it one after the other. Solutions. Let's take it one after the other. Solutions. The first question says x squared plus y squared is 29. X squared to x squared plus y squared is 29, and x plus y is what? 7. I want to be sure that's correct. So first, from the second equation here, from x plus y is 7, x is 7 minus y. So anywhere I see x in this equation, instead of writing x, I'll write 7 minus y squared. That stands for x squared. So 7 minus y squared plus y squared is equal to what? 29. Please, I'm sorry about this aeroplane. Let's expand 7 minus y squared. That's 7 minus y times 7 minus y. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times minus y, that's what? Minus 7y. Also, minus y times 7 is minus 7y. And minus y times minus y is what? Plus y squared. So this gives 49 minus 14y plus what? Y squared. So I don't actually need this to show in my solution, so I can clean it off. I just write the answer here. 49 minus 14y plus y squared, then plus the y squared that was here before. There's another y squared here, is equal to 29. Take note that this is the answer of my expansion here. So I just put this down, the answer of my expansion down, then write this y squared that was here before. So altogether, I'll have 49 minus 14y plus 2y squared. I can bring minus 29 straight to the left is equal to 0, just to reduce my steps. So 2y squared minus 14y. So here, I'm supposed to add 49 to minus 29. What's 49 minus 29? That's 20. So 2y squared minus 14y plus 20 is 0. Let's solve that. So what do? Let's pick factors. This is plus 2 times plus 20. That gives you plus 40. Two numbers that we add to give plus 40 and multiply to give, that we add to give minus 14, add to give minus 14 and multiply to give plus 40 are minus 10 and plus 4. So I'll write this minus 10 minus 14y in the middle as minus 10y minus 4y. You know factorization very well, so I'll not do it too much on that. So that's 2y squared minus 10y minus 4y plus 20 is 0. So on factorizing, I'll get 2y, y minus what? I'm sorry for that loud sound. I'll get 2y, y minus 5, then minus what? Minus 4, y minus 5 is 0. So my factors are 2y minus 4, y minus 5 is equal to 0. So that gives me 2y minus 4 is 0, or I'm just trying to make it clear, or y minus 5 is what? 0. Or y minus 5 is 0. So this is 2y is 0 plus 4, 4. Or y is 5. That gives me y is 2 or 5. So let's go back to, the substitution we made for x. X is 7 minus y. That means x is 7 minus y. That means when y is 2, x is 7 minus 2. X is 5. Or when y is 5, x is what? 7 minus y, which is 7 minus 5. X is what? 2. So my solution set would be when x is 5, y is 2. Solution set. Let me write it together. My solution set will be when x is what? When x is 2, y is 5. Or when x is 5, y is what? 2. So that's the solution of question 3. Let's go to question 4 now. Let's go to question 4 now. Oh, I'm sorry. We should. Question 3, not 4. X plus y is 5. Let's go to question 3 now. X plus y is equal to 5. That's the first equation in question 4. Sorry, question 3. Why do I keep saying question 4? Question 3. X plus y is 5. X squared minus 2y squared is 1. Let's take the second one. X squared minus 2y squared is 1. Here too, we'll start our substitution from the beginning. From x plus y is 5 in equation 1, I can write that x is 5 minus y. You can use any substitution you like in order to avoid confusion. Let's make y subject to the formula here. So y is 5 minus x. Anywhere I see y here, I'll put 5 minus x. Therefore, x squared minus 2 times 5 minus x squared is 1. You know what I've just done there? Instead of writing 2y squared, I'm going to write 2 this squared. That's the meaning of substitution. That gives me x squared minus 2 times 25 minus 10x plus x squared is equal to 1. So on simplification, I'll get x squared minus 50, x squared minus 50 plus 20x squared, x squared minus 50 plus 20x, you know what I mean, minus 2 times 25 minus 50 minus 2 times minus 10x will give me plus 20x. Then next is minus 2 times x squared will give me minus 2x squared. So I'll get x squared minus 50 plus 20 minus 2x squared is equal to 1. Let me check them. Yeah, that's right. So rearranging x squared minus 2x squared plus 20x minus 50. I can bring minus 1 to the left now. Is 0. So I've brought this minus 1 to the left, just to make my substitution complete. So minus 1 has come in to become minus 1 is equal to what? 0. So minus x squared minus x squared plus 20x minus 51 is equal to 0. That's mine. To make this simpler, or to make it clearer, or to make it easier to handle, I can multiply throughout by minus 1. So minus 1 times minus x squared will give me what? Plus x squared. Then minus 1 times plus 20x will give me what? Minus 20x. Then minus 1 times minus 51 will give me what? Plus 51. Plus 51 is 0. So x squared minus 20x plus 51 is equal to 0. Let's simplify this. x squared is the same thing as 1x squared. X squared is the same as 1x squared. So 1 times 51 will give me plus 51. What are the factors of 51 that we add to give minus 20 and multiply to give plus 51? Those are minus 3 and minus 17. So this gives me what? This gives me, so I'm going to write the middle term minus 20x as minus 3x minus 17x plus 51 is equal to 0. On factorizing, I'll get x minus 3 minus 17 x minus 3 is 0. So if I put that together, I'll get x minus 3 times x minus 17. Let me write that minus better. Is 0. So x minus 3 is 0, or x minus 17 is 0. So x is 3, or what? X is 3 or x is 17. Now remember that your y, let me change that to green. Remember that your y, from our substitution, remember that your y is equal to what? Up here, our y was 5 minus x. So I'll come back down here, right? But y is 5 minus x. Therefore, when x is 3, y is 5 minus 3. Y is what? 2. So that's one solution set. You understand? X is 3, y is 2. So the second solution will be when x is 17, y is 5 minus x, so y is what? 5 minus 17. That gives you minus 12. So my second solution set is when x is 17, y is minus 12. That's the solution of question 3.